Welcome to this render course, where we will discuss surface modeling at Autodesk Inventor 2015. In this first class we will know the organization of the course and make a general overview of the contents that will be worked out. Come on, let's go. The course is organized in modules, composed of lectures, practical examples, and complementary exercises. In the classes we will explain the concepts and applications of commands and tools, as well as the step-by-step for their use. In the practical examples we will make case studies, applying the commands and tools studied, training their use. In complementary exercises, we will leave tasks for the student to do and train, based on what has been taught throughout the classes and practical examples. We will begin the course by defining surfaces and showing the difference in relation to solid bodies. Next, we will present the Inventor 2015 environment for surface modeling. Explore the interface, get to know the template and the tools that will be used. Proceeding, we will teach you step by step how to apply different resources, learning how to create, unite, separate and extend surfaces in practice. We will look at some editing modes of the surfaces created, and we will create some pieces from the surfaces, training the knowledge acquired. Next, we will learn about the interaction between surfaces and solids. We will see the application of commands to sculpt and repair surfaces, and when they are used. We will learn how to add volume to a piece through a surface, and also how to create a solid thickness from a surface. Next, we will discuss the product design, learning how to design and edit a product in Inventor 2015. We will model surfaces over product reference images, we will record embossed text and add labels. We will also see how to cut solid bodies with surfaces, manipulate surfaces and transform them into solid models. With this knowledge we will have a notion of the complete surface modeling process in Autodesk Inventor 2015. Being able to create our own models, developing projects for various applications, in a professional way. We wish you a great course.